How to quickly transfer videos from your iPhone to your PC. Let's go, everyone. First, on your iPhone, open the App Store. Go ahead and open it. Tap the magnifying glass at the bottom and now tap here to search for this app. It's completely free, okay? Type in Send Anywhere. You don't even need to finish typing. Send Anywhere will already appear below. Tap it and the app will show up here. You're going to tap Get Here and we're going to download this app, which is free, so we can transfer videos easily. Double click to install it. On the power button, the app is downloading. It doesn't take long. While it's downloading, go to Google because you'll also need to access this site there. So type in Send Anywhere. You don't even need to finish typing. It already shows up below. Click on the first site that appears. There you go. We're now connected on the computer. I'm going to close this here. So how do we send videos? Notice that it's already downloaded on the iPhone, so tap to open it. Here, I'm going to tap on the Allow option. Here, I'm going to allow access so I can access the videos. I don't want notifications, so I'm not going to allow them. Here, you can click on Not Now and then click OK. Notice that my iPhone photo library already appears here. I'm going to click up here on the Videos option, and now I'll select the video I want to transfer from the iPhone to the PC. You can click the circle next to it and you can select as many videos as you want, okay? Just click the circle next to it. I've selected a few here. Now you click down here to send. Notice that a code will be generated here. What are you going to do now? There's a timer below. This code will expire. We're simply going to enter this code here on the computer, okay, on the PC, so we can receive these videos. So I'm going to enter the code here. Done. Did you enter it? Click this arrow on the side to receive the videos. I'm going to enlarge the page so you can see it better. It's receiving, as you can see. Down here, as you can see, the videos are being received. Of course, there are some ads, okay? But they're being received. Just wait a bit. It's quick. It doesn't take long. 50%. Of course, I uploaded several videos. So the more videos you upload, the longer it will take, okay? Just one video is really fast. Finishing downloading. Done. It's finished. It's done. As you can see, the videos already appear up here, guys. You can click to open it. And here are all the videos I just transferred, okay, from the iPhone to the PC. So now they're on my computer in this folder here. If I click here, the video will open, okay? That's how you transfer videos from your iPhone to your PC. I hope I helped. If I did, don't forget to help me too. Subscribe to the channel,